We're constantly pushing to innovate and improve our product offerings, to outperform our competitors and better serve our customers. Our products undergo rigorous testing at our US-based facility in Fairport, New York, for 2 to 2.5 years before market release, exceeding all regulatory testing requirements. The antennas in our RF chamber radiate a spectrum of frequencies at the device, ensuring the product is immune to environmental disturbances, which means no false alarms. The test also measures the power level of frequencies emitted by the device itself, ensuring the detector doesn't interfere with everyday products, such as phones, routers, extenders, and headsets. Our products outlast and outperform the competition. Superior by design, best by test.